Hi everyone, my name is Awais Sarwar. I'm actually from Pakistan. I'm studying in Europe, working with nature-based solutions and hydrology. So I just wanted to share a small story how I ended up here. So I came from a farmer family, and my family was used to own a lot of land. And I was always fascinated by the water availability, because where we used to live, there was not enough water available to apply for agriculture. So we have to like fight each other to survive for that. So from very early childhood, I know that water is very necessary, although other people don't think that or believe that. So I think it's a very important source. So that's why I choose to pursue my undergrad in agricultural engineering. Then I did my master's in water resource engineering. Now I'm doing a PhD in the similar field. So I'm trying to do relationship analysis, how we can use movement of water under a catchment or under a certain area, or to re-establish the nature, or you can say the ecosystem, natural ecosystem. So that's it. Thank you for listening to me.